gonna ask me bug bounty is saturated, bug bounty is never going to be saturated. Did bug bounty saturated in 2026? Hi, this is Akash, founder of AJAK Cyber Academy. Okay, so one of the most common questions which I get from all the people is, can I do my bug bounty right now? Is it crowded right now? Is it worth doing? So these are the common questions which I get, but let me just say my opinion in just one word. Whenever you do your bug bounty, it may be 2026, 36 or 56, whenever you do, it is actually worth it. Okay, so I know many people will criticize this specific opinion, but still I'll just share some points like what's really happening in bug bounty, how to approach your bug bounty journey. Okay, so I started my journey on 2021. I continued for 2.5 years and it was actually worth it. I was able to earn so much of money within that 2.5 years, and I switched my career to blue team, and it is also going good. I earned so much of money when I was doing my college itself. It is bug bounty is one of the beautiful domain out there in cybersecurity. If you wanna earn money very quickly, okay, not very quickly, you need some patience. That's what I'm gonna share some points with you. So if you are coming into bug bounty, the first thing which you need is patience. Because when I started my bug bounty journey, first bounty which when I got it was around like 7 months since I started my bug bounty journey, and it was from Zoho. They ordered like $50. But what really happening here is people quit very early. Okay, so they get frustrated with not playables and duplicates, and they quit early. So that's the first mistake they do. Second thing is not improving your bug bounty scope domain. Okay, so let me just say one thing. People who come into this bug bounty will fall only under web application. So 90% of the students first go with web application. So the whole crowd lays over there, and people stops to explore the other pen testing ways. Okay, for example, mobile, iOS, and then cloud architecture. You got IoT, you got blockchain. There are like different types of pen testing. So once you come out from this web application, okay, so there are like different types of pen testing you can learn, and the crowd will be very less when compared to workplace. Okay, so that's the one thing many people say, bug bounty has been saturated, bug bounty has been saturated. But if you learn mobile application, iOS, web application and cloud, you will have a very large scope. You won't fall under like duplicate status. You will have a very good knowledge. Okay, so the bug bounty won't get saturated. If you only learn the web application, the crowd is very huge compared to 2022, 2026. So all the people will be there on that specific web application only. So that's my opinion. Like, have a very good broad knowledge on all the parts of cybersecurity domain when it comes to pen testing. And finally, third one is improving your knowledge each and every day. So people just go to see some random videos and they start to test it. No, that's not bug bounty, that's not cybersecurity, that's not pen testing. Pen testing is like you learn daily with different methods, different bug bounty tips, different strategies. So that is how your bug bounty game is improved, and that is when you come out of the crowd, you bang bounties, guys. Okay, so this is the whole concept of this specific video. If you're gonna ask me bug bounty is saturated, bug bounty is never going to be saturated unless you improve your knowledge, unless you come out of the scope or exploring more domains. That's what I said. Mobile, web, iOS, cloud, IoT, blockchain. So you come out of the crowd and you test it, you will be out of the box. Okay, so if you want to learn this bug bounty right from basics, don't worry. So we got a course of 27 hours of our bug bounty training. Okay, so I'll get a link in the description. You can go and check it out. AJAK Cyber Academy. Thank you so much for watching the video. We can meet in new videos. Thank you so much.